Hi, welcome to TS24x7. I am going to explain about throws keyword in Java. This throws keyword is used to declare an exception. It gives information to the programmer that there may occur an exception. So it is better for the programmer to provide the exception handling code so that normal flow can be maintained. Exception handling is mainly used to handle checked exception. Let us see the syntax for this throws keyword. Here, return type with method name throws keyword exception class name. Here some code is present. This is the syntax for the throws keyword. And now see the advantages. Now checked exception can be propagated. It provides the information to the caller of the method about the exception. Now see the example of this. Here I am taking a method m1 in class A. It will throws IO exception. Inside method I am using throw new IO exception. I am passing a checked exception here. And I am taking one more method n. Here I am using throw IO exception. I am calling m method here. And I am taking another method p. Here I am taking try block. Inside try block I am calling n method. Inside cache exception e I am printing statement exception handled. And in main method I am creating object for this class a equals to new a and calling p method here by using this object. I am printing one statement normal flow. If the exception handle will get a normal flow. Here we have to give import for the IO exception. Now run this program. Here we'll get exception handle and normal flow. Here I have given call p method. It will go here. Inside p I have called n method. Inside n I have called again m method. Here m method here I have given checked exceptions. So it is not handling this exception. So we are declaring this as throws IO exception. And this m method is propagated to n method. Here also I am not handling this exception. So this n method is propagated to p, and here we declared with throws IO exception. And in p method I am using try catch and handling this exception. And so it is handling exception handled is printed, and again in main method normal flow is printed. If you are calling a method that declare an exception, you must either count or declare an exception. There are two cases. Case 1, by using try catch, and case 2. Here case 1, by using try catch we can handle the exception, and by using throws keyword. Here, now see example with try and catch. Here I am taking one class M. Inside M I am taking method throws IO exception. Inside this method I am taking throw new IO exception device error, and I am calling inside main method by using this class name. I am creating an object here m equals to new m. By this object I am calling this method. Inside try block I am taking this, and in catch exception E I am taking one statement exception handled, and after this I am taking one more statement normal flow. Now save and run this program. Here we are getting exception handled and normal flow by using try catch. In case 2, you declared an exception. If exception does not occur, the code will be executed fine. If exception occurs, an exception will be thrown at runtime because throws does not handle the exception. Let us see an example here. In this example, if the exception does not occur, some system.out.println, some device error I have taken, and here I am not taking this try and catch. And here I am using throws IO exception. Now save and run this program. There is no error, so device error, exception handle, normal flow, everything is printed like this. See here, I have given a method here. Inside that device error, some message I have given here. It is printed because there is no exception rises here. If I raise an exception like this, I am using this throw new IO exception here, checked exception I am passing. Now see, by using throws we'll get runtime exception here. Here we are getting runtime exception because the exception occurs, an exception will be thrown at runtime because throws does not handle the exception here. Here we are getting IO exception device error. This is nothing but throws keyword in Java. Thank you.